Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create your product or service inside Kartra. First of all, before going on this tutorial, if you don't have a Kartra account, you can use the link here under this video, and it's an affiliate link. It's my affiliate link. With this link you can try Kartra for 30 days for free, and mainly you can get a 20% discount on your first payment if you decide to proceed with Kartra after the trial period. So let's proceed with the tutorial. When you log inside Kartra, you go in the product section. Here under on the right you click on product. You give a name of your product here. It's only for your reference, and you can decide if this is a main product or an upsell or downsell product, because Kartra let you build also an upsell or downsell. In this case, in this example, it's a main product. Let's click on create. Okay, here we create the official name of the product. In my case, name of the product, I keep the same for the example. And here you put a description of your product. Description. Okay, you can decide to keep private or to public in the marketplace of Kartra. Here you can personalize the image and then you click save. Here you decide to connect, you can decide to connect PayPal and Stripe. You can have more than one Stripe or PayPal account connected to Kartra. You click save and you can set them in integration part. Save and next. Here you can decide the product pricing, so you can decide to create many price type. For example, and this is really useful in A/B test situation. For example, you can create a one-time payment, for example 97 euros. My account is in euro. You can set in US dollar, for example. One payment. Here it's a description. You can decide to create trials, so with a period with €0, for example, for free, or less price for some days, weeks, months. Here you can decide to enable trials, and you can set this type of price as default price or not. Then you can create, of course, other price. For example, you can create a recurring payment, for example, recurring, okay, for example 27 euros monthly, for example. Or you can also create installments. So you decide that there are only 3 monthly payments, for example, payments. So we have 3 payments monthly. Okay, and here you can decide also to have an instant or delayed cancellation. It depends on, for example, when you have a recurring payment, you can decide when if a person cancel his subscription, you can decide if it's an instant or delayed cancellation from your service. Then you click save. Then you can set, for example, the shipping cost if you have a physical product, and you can set them for every part of the global, or if it's a digital product, no shipping cost. You click save. Sale tax, you can set the tax, configure sale tax for every part of the world, and decide to apply to every product, every funnel, or nothing. You can click here, don't apply. In this example, you can decide the refund policy, no refund, 7-day period, 14 days period, 30-day period, 60-day period. Save. And next you go to the part of pages. Here you select the where you will sell your product. So this is important for Kartra to set the analytics connected to the selling of your products. So here you can For example, select a Kartra page that you have created. In my example, I click this, or you can set also an external URL, and Kartra will give you a code to apply to this page to have access to all the analytics of the conversion regarding this product. And of course, we have set 3 different prices, and we can set 3 different thank you pages. And we can, for example, create external URL, for example, google.com, or we can select a Kartra page that we have created, and you can decide what to do. You can create pages and then select here, or you can insert an external URL. Then you click save and next. Here you are on the checkout page. You can decide to use the Kartra hosted checkout page. You can decide to overlay pop-up window in your site. So you can use Kartra to sell your product service, but you will create, for example, the sales page in another site, in WordPress or with another software. And here you can use a pop-up window of Kartra for selling your product. Or you can embed your checkout inside your WordPress site or somewhere else. In this example, I use Kartra hosted checkout page, save. Checkout page, either you can display a logo or not display a logo in the checkout. You can embed a Kartra help desk icon in the checkout page and decide to embed this to help increase the conversion of your selling with some, for example, customer care assistance. No need in this example. You can personalize the fields that have to display on the checkout page. Here you have first and last name, email, address, city and postal code, country and state, and you can add all other fields that are already created in Kartra, or you can also create custom fields, various types of custom fields, drop-down menu, radio button, checkout box, text input, text area, and so on. In this example, I keep the checkout on this way. You can decide to have the possibility, give the possibility to your customer to select a quantity of your product. This is really useful for physical product, of course. Then you can select express checkout for your upsell and downsell. So when you create an upsell or downsell in Kartra, you can use this express checkout to help the increase of conversion for the upsell or downsell. Then you can create a tag, connect a tag to the people that are abandoning the cart. And you can create a tag for all the prices or specific tags connected to all the single prices. You can create terms and conditions to be accepted by your customer to proceed with the payment connected to all price point, or you can also create different terms and conditions connected to the different prices that you have set it. Then you can create a bump offer. To create a bump offer, you have to create another product in Kartra. And then after creating another product in Kartra, you will be able to select the product from this window and to select the funnel and the product and the price point. And you can personalize the text. And you can also personalize the templates of your bump order, and you can create different bump offer possibility for the different prices, or activate the bump offer for price 1 and not for price 2, and activate for price 3. So Kartra is really, really powerful. Then you move on, save and next. You go on the post sale. You can decide to register the customer in some list. You can decide to tag your customer for different prices or not to tag them. And of course, here you can decide what to do after the customer has purchased your product or service. You can connect the payment of your product service to a membership that you have created in Kartra. You can create the membership and then select from this window the membership and the access level connected to this membership, and you can select for every prices. You can decide what to do, or you can integrate other membership that you have to integrate from integration. You can connect, you can upsell some file, for example, in the media section of Kartra, and then you can select from here the file or the video, specific videos, and so you give access to them after the, so Kartra is giving access to your customer automatically after the payment to the resources that you have decided from here, or no access pages if you don't need to give access to a page after the payment. Then you can access to the automation and decide what to do if a customer buys your product, and select the name of the product, the price, and so on. If it refunds the products, if partially refunds the products, if cancel subscription, request cancellation, cancellation request. You can do many things. In this case, then you can subscribe to list, unsubscribe, assign tag, unassign tag, give points, grant access to membership, register for a webinar. You can do everything with automation in Kartra. Then save and next, you access to the affiliate part, where you can create an affiliate program for your product, and you can decide the percentage or the fixed amount for every sales commission through the affiliate or to the JV broker. JV broker are people who search affiliates for you, and so they will earn also a percentage or a fixed amount for the sales of the affiliates that they have joined for you. And you can decide to add new commission tier, and you can set different situation for your affiliate product for the different prices. So decide what to do for also in the recurring cases, decide what to give to the affiliates at the first payment, and then on the following payments decide what to give to your affiliates. So it's really powerful. And then you can decide to create an affiliate program also for opt-in, so give money for people for sending leads. Usually I don't do this. And then you can register your affiliate to specific list, tag your affiliates, and decide here when to release the commission earned by your affiliate, and decide what amount to give them and when to give to them the commission. And then here you can create or decide what is the landing page where your affiliate will send traffic to. And you can also personalize different landing page and give different landing pages to specific affiliates. So decide to have only one landing page for all your affiliates, or specific landing pages for your affiliates. And then at the end, you click Save and Next. You arrive here where you get the code to enter in the body section of your landing page, of your product page. And this is important to help Kartra to get all the analytics of conversion of your products and your sales. So this is all for the main part of building a product service in Kartra. As I said to you, if you want to try Kartra for 30 days and mainly get a 20% discount on your first payment, you just click the link here under and you will have this amazing opportunity. If you have any question, please use the comment area here under. You will see also my email if you want a free consultation about Kartra, if you need to ask me something, if you already have an account in Kartra, if you need to ask me something about Kartra and building a product or other aspect, just leave a comment here under or send me an email. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.